Okay, that's my big question. Are you afraid of giving as a Christian entrepreneur or as a business owner? Are you afraid of giving? Do we still have givers in the world today? So here's the story about, a recent hurricane just hit the Florida area, and here is the article that says a Florida furniture store gives away everything after Hurricane Ian flooded its showroom. Now you may say, well, all the stuff is damaged, or they decide to give it away to the people and everything like that. But reading the article, it says the stuff was lightly damaged, and so what they decided to do is to give it away to people, and they made a post on Facebook, and people started commenting and responding because there was a need. And so it's not that they given people bad stuff, but the stuff was still good, and so that's what they decided to do. And so it's not about, even with a giving, that's why I'm asking you, are you afraid of giving? The same thing about it is that there are times when God puts us in position to give, and he puts us in position to receive. But many of us like be on a receiving end. But what happens when it's time for you to give? Are you afraid of giving? And it's not about you giving to be seen, because we don't give to be seen. So get, humble yourself, humble yourself. It's not about being seen, but it's being positioning yourself as the instrument or the channel or the vessel that God uses to give into the lives of other people, and at the same time bring glory to him. What do you think about this? Don't be afraid to give. Giving is also a part of worship to God.